Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this soft brown yellow eye look. This is the eye makeup look that I had in my lipstick swatches video with the Essence This Is Me lipsticks. Some of you wanted to see how to do this eye look and I decided to do a tutorial. You can do this eye look for summer makeup looks, even for winter. You can change the lipstick, you can use something nude. Let me know in the comments below what other eye looks you would like to see. For today's eye makeup, I'm going to use the Naked Reloaded palette by Decay. This is what I have used also for the other video. I have done a review, swatches and eyeshadow tutorial with this palette. If you want to see the dedicated review about this one, I'm going to have a card here. I'm starting with this eyeshadow here. It is called Bribe and this one has a very light sheen and it is a light creamy beige eyeshadow with an eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre. I'm going to highlight my brow bone. This one gives just a little bit of glow to the skin. After that I'm taking a blending brush by Wet n Wild and this eyeshadow that we have here, it is called Boundaries and let me show you how it looks. It is a warm brown matte eyeshadow, super creamy and very easy to blend on the skin. I'm going to work this eyeshadow into the crease with circular motions. I'm also blending the edges. Next, I'm going to use eyeshadow Retro. This is a muted corally matte eyeshadow with brush 225 by Zoeva. I'm going to diffuse this into the crease closer to my eyelid. Let's continue with an eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre. This is the same brush that I have used before. And I'm taking eyeshadow Distilled. This one is a shimmery eyeshadow with a chocolatey brown color. I'm pressing that on the inner part and outer part of my eyelid. I'm also taking some with the tip of the brush and I blend it into the crease very close to my eyelid. I'm also blending the edges with the brush 225 by Zoeva. I'm blending the edges on the center of my eyelid because I'm going to apply a lighter shade and I want this area to be clean. On the center of the eyelid, I'm going to use eyeshadow Angel Fire. This is a very creamy eyeshadow and it is more shiny when you use it with your fingertips. I'm cleaning my brush on a tissue and then I'm blending the edges. I want to give more depth to the yellow eye look. With a small pencil brush by Morphe, I'm taking this dark brown eyeshadow. It is called Endgame. I'm going to use a very small amount of this eyeshadow in the outer corner and inner corner of my eye. I'm pressing this eyeshadow on the inner part of my eyelid, not in the tear duct. And I blend it inside the bronzy eyeshadow. I keep the color on the eyelid for the outer part as well. It's not very noticeable, but that gives the illusion that my eyes are rounder. The darker eyeshadow makes the yellow eye look more defined. Let's continue with the lower lash line. I'm taking this Everlasting Kajal eye pencil by Kiko Milano. This is in the color 1. It is a black eye pencil and I'm going to use it in the waterline. This eye pencil is not very long lasting in my waterline, but I want to use it as a base for the other eyeshadows, and as we can see, it is a very intense black creamy eye pencil. Let's clean it. I'm not going to use more because this is not smudge proof. I'm taking this double-ended brush by Urban Decay. I'm going to use the smaller side to smudge the eye pencil inside my lower lashes. Very lightly I'm taking product from the waterline and I smudge it inside the lower lashes. Let's continue with eyeshadow Burn. This one here is a red brown shimmery eyeshadow, super beautiful. With the same brush I'm going to smudge this on the black eye pencil. After that, with the same brush I'm taking eyeshadow Boundaries and Retro together and I'm diffusing the edges. With an eyebrow brush by Essence, I'm taking the dark brown eyeshadow again. And with this one, I'm lining my lashes. To highlight the inner corner, I'm taking the brush E30 by Sigma and this eyeshadow here. I'm pressing this exactly on the tear duct. and I lightly blend it upwards and downwards. Be careful here, don't bring the highlighter inside the darker shades. For mascara, I'm going to use a Falsies Volume Express Mascara by Maybelline. I never have clumpy lashes with this one, even if I apply 2 layers, and this one here is just with 1 layer. The brush is amazing, the formula is great, and it has microfibers, so be careful if you're wearing contact lenses. Let's continue with the rest of the face makeup. I have already applied my foundation, concealer, primer, and powder. I have also done my brows. I was thinking about using this palette here for my blush. This is a Coral Spectrum palette, and we have 4 blushes in this palette. I think that these colors are not going to look very nice with the retro eyeshadow that I have in my crease. Yeah, so I'm not going to use this. And I also found this blush by Wet n Wild. This is the color Icon blush, and I have the shade Pearlescent Pink. Before I apply my blush, I'm going to use this new matte bronzing powder by Essence. This is from the Trend Edition Sun, Sand, and Golden Rainbows, and I have the shade Summer Lovin'. I'm going to use Santa's Little Helper. I'm going to apply some on my cheekbones, forehead. This is a very soft powder. It is very easy to blend it on the skin. I'm going to contour just a little bit my nose. I'm going to use it just on the sides of my nose and on the bottom part. This is a quicker way to contour your nose. With the same brush, I'm going to take the blush. This one gives a little bit of sheen to the skin. With the same brush, I'm blending all the products together. After that, I have a new highlighter, this one here by Essence. This is from the same collection with the matte bronzing powder. This is a baked multicolor highlighter in the shade Chasing the Sun. With brush 4 by Beige Cosmetics, I'm going to take the lightest. This highlighter is more intense with the brush E40 by Sigma. With the 4 brush by Beige Cosmetics, I always have a more subtle glow. This one can pack more color than the fluffy that I have used today. So, you know, if you have a highlighter that it is very shiny and you don't like it, just change the brush. You don't have to throw it away. And you can also use a brush like this if you want it super light on the skin. Now I'm not using any product. I'm just blending. I had this eye look in the first video with the This Is Me lipsticks by Essence, and all of those lipsticks are nude, so you can see this eye look with 8 lipsticks. I decided for this eye makeup to use something more vibrant. I want to use this one. This corally, I think it is going to look very nice because I also have a light coral shade in the crease. I'm removing the lip gloss that I had, and this is the Shine lip gloss by Essence in the color Dress Up Our Lips. The lipstick that I'm using is by Catrice Cosmetics, and it is from the limited edition Caviar Gauche. Let me know in the comments below what lipstick you would use for this eye look. You can watch here all the products of the new Essence collection Sun, Sand, and Golden Rainbows. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!